Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Trello for project management and task organization, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete account registration and board creation. Step 1. Visit the Trello website at trello.com and click Sign Up to begin creating your account. Step 2. Enter your email address to start the registration process or sign up using your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account for faster access. Step 3. If using email, Trello will send you a verification link or code. Click the link or enter the code to verify your email address. Step 4. Create a password for your Trello account if you signed up with email. Make it strong and secure. Step 5. Provide your name when prompted. This will be displayed on your Trello profile and visible to collaborators. Step 6. Choose what type of work you'll be doing with Trello, such as project management, personal tasks, or team collaboration. Step 7. Create your first Trello board by clicking Create New Board or selecting a template from Trello's gallery. Step 8. Name your board with a descriptive title that reflects the project or purpose, such as marketing campaign or home renovation. Step 9. Choose a background for your board. Trello offers various colors and images, or you can upload your own. Step 10. Add lists to organize your board. Common list names include To Do, In Progress, and Done, but customize them to fit your workflow. Step 11. Create your first card within a list by clicking Add a Card. Cards represent individual tasks or items you need to track. Step 12. Explore card features by clicking on a card. You can add descriptions, checklists, due dates, attachments, and labels to organize information. Step 13. Download the Trello mobile app for iOS or Android to access your boards on the go and receive notifications about updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.